Assalamu alaikum. Our lesson today is about Ikhfaa, which is the fourth rule of the Noon Sakina and Tanween. The letters for this rule are the remaining letters of the Arabic language. Remember that Iqlab uses the letter Ba, and Idgham uses the letters Yarmulun, and Idhar has its own 6 letters. So the letters that are left belong to the rule of Ikhfaa. The word Ikhfaa means to cover, because with Ikhfaa we cover the Noon and only the Gunna remains. Remember that the Noon is pronounced by touching the tip of the tongue to the roof of the mouth while producing a Gunna or vibration we feel at the top of the nose bridge. With Ikhfaa, we keep the Gunna, but we hide the part that has to do with the tongue. It does not touch the Noon at the roof of the mouth. Here's an example.
من فوقهم.
Here we have a Noon Sakina followed by the letter Fa, which is a letter of Ikhfaa. Therefore, we don't say
من فوقهم
because that would be Idhar. Instead, we hide the Noon and keep the Gunna and say
من فوقهم.
Another example is
من قال.
Notice that the sound of the Gunna is heavy when Ikhfaa is with a heavy letter.
من قال.
And notice that it's light with a light letter.
من فوقهم.
Some of the letters of Ikhfaa are heavy while others are light. Remember that the heavy Arabic letters can be found in the acronym خص ضغط قض. And now, it's time to practice. Let's go.
فانصب عملا صالحا من سجيل قولا سديدا من قبل شيء قدير من كان كتاب كريم عن طبق حلالا طيبا أنتم حلية تلبسونها من ضل مكانا ضيقا من دون كأسا دهاقا من ظلم ظلا ظليلا تنذرهم نارا ذات لهب من ثمرة قولا ثقيلا من جاهد عين جارية من شر الوسواس رسولا شاهدا أنزلناه غلاما زكيا من فوقهم يتيما فآوى.
Barakallahu bikum. You've lit up the sky with 6 stars.